Hi, I'm Geneva.
Hi, I'm Katie.
And we're with Circulus. Are you by chance looking for an affordable and simple accounts payable platform?
If so, and you use QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop and have a need to approve and pay domestic bills, we may be the perfect solution for you.
That's right. And what we'll be doing is we'll actually be reviewing our workflow. In addition to that, we'll go over expenses and we'll finish up with reports.
Okay, let's get started.
Let's talk about workflow and paying a bill. More specifically, let's talk about abolishing that manual process. The Circulus SMB platform allows you to select various permissions that you can associate with these various workflows. What I'm going to show you today is how you can actually select those permissions and select the workflows. After doing so, you'll be happy to know that you'll have an audit trail that will show everything that takes place from the beginning when a bill is entered until the time a vendor receives payment, whether that payment is via ACH or check. Uploading a bill is very easy. You can email it, you can upload it, or you can take a quick picture. A lot of your information will sync over when you're using QuickBooks. Basically what you'll have is you'll have locations, GL, class, customer information that will sync. And you can add any additional details, and you can even add attachments and notes. Really quickly, we are going to talk about managing payees and expenses. Let's talk about payees first. Our system allows for vendors, customers, and employees. You can add it at the bill level. You can also add a vendor at the payee level. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Just click here, as you can see. In addition to that, if you want to invite a vendor to participate in an ACH, no problem. You can do that by going to Invite Vendor.
Now we're going to talk about expenses. Adding an expense and making reimbursement payments are just as simple as paying a bill and adding a bill. Choose your expense workflow and make payments via ACH or check. Then everything will sync back to your QuickBooks seamlessly. In Circulus, you have a multitude of reports to choose from. View everything from unpaid bills and expenses, your AP aging details, and even when a vendor is signed up for ACH payments. All these reports and more will help make your job much easier. Thanks for your time today. Don't forget to sign up for your free trial at the link in the description below.
We look forward to working with you.